Hi guys, I'm Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a soft blue eyeshadow tutorial. The original video is from Miaa Tyler. Let's get started. I start off by using the matte putty primer by e.l.f. I apply it by using my fingers. I'm using James Charles Mini Palette by Morphe. I'm starting with a shade called Punch Me. Then I'm taking 2 pieces of washi tape and applying it on my eyes to have a cat eye look. I'm taking my blending brush from e.l.f. and applying Punch Me to my eyelids. Next I'll be using the shade called Tea.
Oh my god! What is that?
Here I'm taking my concealer and using it for a cut crease. Apply a pea-sized amount on your hand. I'm not really good at applying concealer for cut crease, so please don't judge me. I'm using another brush to apply the next shade. I'm dipping in a shade called Hello. Here I'm just packing the color into my crease. Me deciding which end of the brush should I use. I'm taking the shade Brother and putting it to the outer corner of my eye. Basically, just like blend in the color to your outer corner of your eye with the brown color. I'm using the shade Tea again and applying it to the outer corner. Now I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes with my eyelash curler. Now it's time to peel off the washi tape. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna use mascara instead of lashes, because that girl is lazy and I didn't feel like putting on lashes. So here's the finished look for the soft blue eyeshadow tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe for more content, and also follow my Instagram, my Twitter, and maybe if you want to follow my TikTok, even though I don't post much there. They're all at Rachel M. Ganza. See you in my next video. Bye guys.